welcome back to another video, guys. So, quick swatch video today. I've got some more gel polishes from Born Pretty. Look at that packaging, guys. I love that. That's so pretty, isn't it? And it's it feels like plastic, this box. It doesn't feel like cardboard. I think it is cardboard, but it's got that plastic feel to it. I really like it. So this is a set of 6. Oh, look at these bottles. These are posh. The last set I had was the reflective glitter gels in white bottles. These are in black bottles. Oh, I like these. Right, let me get them out this packaging. Right, so look at these bottles. They've got the little window that gives you a little indication of what's inside. So they're in matte bottles, really short, stumpy bottles these. I really like them. So they are 10ml, so they're a good size. And I think they've all got names, but I can't quite read it. Refined glass, I think that's meant to say. And this one says begonia flowers. Yes, it looks like they've all got names. This is their, what is it called again? Spring Macaroon set, this is. I really like that packaging. I like the gold writing. Really pretty, aren't they? Right, so I've got my swatch sticks ready. I'm just going to give them a quick swatch today. And I'll maybe do a design with them in another video. So I've got the lids off all of these. And I'm not going to go in any particular order. So I think this one's called Refined. I'm not sure. I can't read it. So let's have a look. I love these bottles. They're quite short, stumpy bottles. Oh, this is nice. Should I bring you down a bit? This is nice. It's a pink. I've already buffed these swatch sticks because I've not put a base coat on. I've just buffed them. Oh, that's a nice colour. Look at that coverage. Wow. That's nice. That's a really nice. Bit of a nudish pink, would you say? That's a really nice colour. I like that. I really like that. I think that'd look nice on my nails. I do. Right, so these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. If you've got a UV lamp, I think you have to cure them for a minute or two, don't you? Right, this next one is called Begonia Flowers, I think, again. Oh, this is a nice pink as well. These are really kind of toned down. They're not bright in your face colours. Well, they're called Spring Pastel, whatever that means, but yeah, that's really pretty as well. Look at that coverage. Oh, here we go with the fluff. They apply beautifully, they really do. Look at that, guys. Another really pretty colour. These would be really nice for natural nails, you know, just to give yourself a nice gel polish manicure. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that's a pretty colour. It's almost like a really pale lime green. But it's, yeah, it's a very pale lime green. Looks a bit yellow on camera, but it's actually a really pale lime green. That's a really pretty colour. Really subtle, aren't they? I didn't think I was going to like these, but I like them. I do. I like them. Oh, this is like a corky green. Hey, I'm getting better at describing colours, aren't I, guys? I am. That's a corky green. Sorry if the dogs bark, I can hear. My partner's car has just pulled up and they're going to go bonkers. Yeah, that's a nice corky green. I like that. These apply beautiful. These are really good quality. I like them. Up until trying the magnetic gels last week, I've never tried Born Pretty products. So this is the first time I've tried any of their normal gel polishes, if you will. Oh, this is nice as well. Yeah, these are really toned down colours. I like them. We can't have bright neons all year round, can we, guys? I like that as well. It's a bit of a greeny blue. Yeah, I like them. I like all of these so far. I do. Right, let's get this last one done. Oh, this is a peach. This is a pretty colour as well. This is a nice little peach. Oh, these apply so nice. Well done, Born Pretty. These are really nice to apply. They are. Look at that. Oh, that's a cute colour. Pinky peach, isn't it? I do like that. Right, I'm going to cure these in the lamp. Well, this last one. And I'm going to give them a coat of Born Pretty top coat. Right, guys, I decided to just do them half and half. Half top coat, half matte top coat. So this is them. I really, really like them, actually. I think they're really, really nice colours. So if you look at them from that angle, they're glossy. The Born Pretty glossy is nice as well. I can't fault it. It really is nice and glossy. And then that's them in matte. I think these kind of colours always look nice in matte, don't they? Kind of dulled down colours, nudes. They always look nice in matte. The matte's alright. It's matte. But I think I prefer them in glossy. But I really like them as a collection. Different kind of colours. I don't think I've got a collection like this, actually. I really like them. I do. What do you think, guys? Do you like them? I do. Right, guys, that is it for today. Just a quick one. I will leave in my description box the links where you can get them. They're on Amazon, and I think they're obviously going to be on Born Pretty website, but all the links will be in my description box anyway. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.